and spirit. He is very much present here with me. So can we have a huge round of applause for him? So I think all started with, I'll share my journey a little bit and what we did in the past 1 year. I've done my engineering as usual. बहुत सारे यहाँ पे engineers होंगे. And then went on to do my, I was working with IT company. Job कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा. And my dad always used to say, right, you're going crown, you're impacting thousands of lives. Job में क्या रखा है तुम्हें crown जाना है. It always rings in my ear. बोलते ना catch them young and train them young. I think that's what my parents did with me and my sister. And then I went on to do my masters in public policy from New York University. वहाँ पे while I was doing my masters, I got a job in United Nations. I was working in Germany and New York. But then got married. As usual for all the ladies, they get married then move back to India. Papa once spoke to me, why do you think this job is important to you? Can you predict your future through the job that you're doing? Can you impact thousands of lives? I was left with no answer. I started thinking that what I'm doing, can I predict my future? I'm an entrepreneur. He always kept on ringing in my ear that you can go crown, you can change a lot of lives. So that's when I came back to India. I started working as a policy head in the parliament with leading MPs, and then I started working with a policy consultant role in one of the private companies. Me and my husband, who is again from IIM Bangalore, with he's a consultant. So now, for the last October, I took a decision, based out of Delhi. I took a decision in October 5th. I put out my papers that we are going to build this business. I'm going to build this business full time, right? And the hope, the opportunity that my parents created for everyone around. Hope दिखता है business में?
Yes.
Do you feel there is a huge opportunity which can be tapped into?
Yes.
Right? And the dreams and vision they had for the team and for Amway India is now my dream and vision. It's my passion and purpose to take it forward. So for the past 1 year, during the journey also we have found a platinum in the business, but it was a huge organization. There were a lot of challenges, but हमने क्या किया? And for the past 1 year, it has been a topsy-turvy journey. But I'm sure with the help of the team that is sitting out here, right, and with the help of all the senior leaders, they are founded double diamonds, and the journey is just getting started. All right. So migrating young business builders, right? हमने जब ये business शुरू किया था, the few things that came to mind. Me and my husband Chandan, we have become weekend husband and wife. Many people can relate with me. Weekend husband and wife, where husband works 18 hours a day, wife works 18 hours a day. They literally don't have time for each other. It was the same case with us. He used to travel a lot. He's a consultant. I have my own office. My office runs from Monday to Saturday. Literally 5 बजे भी call आता है. Just MBA के लिए काम करती थी. ये करना है, वो करना है. We realized we are just living by, right? There is so much to do in this world, but we are just living by. Time ही नहीं मिलता था. And health की तो अभी समझिए भी पता है, right? Health की band बज गई थी. There was the concept of health. This lifestyle diseases is invented for us. By the time you turn 35, 40, it's given you'll have some lifestyle diseases. Be it back pain, be it diabetes, be it health problems, and a lot of challenges, right? It's very normal nowadays to then we realized when we saw the plan and दिमाग में था, you know, as parents कभी बोलते नहीं है, but they show you, they lead by example, right? They lead by example. सुबह आराम से पापा जिम जाते हैं, you know, walk पे जाते हैं, they lead a very good lifestyle. So, and most importantly, since I come from a social sector, I wanted to help a lot of people, and this business has given me the right platform to impact thousands of lives. Create micro-entrepreneurs, create entrepreneurs, help them reach their goal, their passion, their mission. And there are tons of ways to do it, right? The leaders, the senior leaders who came here just before me, they showed us the way what to do, what not to do, right? So, and then the journey, it went on. When हमने जब शुरू किया business जब मैंने शुरू किया 1 साल से, right? आपको अगर पता होगा gig economy के बारे में, किसको पता है? Gig economy. So I'll give you an example. In July 2020, one of my good friends, again from IIM, and he was in Uber with 40 lakhs package. Can you imagine 40 lakhs package Uber, Hyderabad में? He was the product manager. EMI चल रहा है, घर का EMI, right? अभी स्पीकर आए थे, बताए थे कि कॉमन हो गया EMI, कॉमन हो गया घर का EMI, गाड़ी का EMI. ये तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे? So product manager, you don't have all those things. 30-40 people are working under him. एक ही चुटकी में, sorry, before that, he was asked to lay off people in his own team. 30 to 40, he'll call me up every day. I'm so stressed out, I'm talking to people, giving them hope, but then in the end I'm asking them to leave the job, to take a 6 months, 6 months pay and then leave the job. And ये भी बोलते कि अगर कोई हल्ला गुल्ला किया social media में, you won't even get that 6 months pay. He was so stressed out. Then 2 महीने बाद he calls that I'm in let go from my own job. Can you imagine? 40 lakhs package with EMIs, and he's a very good student. उसने 7 साल लगाया to reach that point of 40 lakhs, and now his income is big zero. Can you understand the stress? थोड़ा imagine कीजिए, जिसका 40 lakhs का package है, EMI कितना बड़ा होगा? घर का EMI, गाड़ी का EMI, right? He literally cried कि what should I be doing right now, right? Suddenly then he got a job. 6 months के बाद he got another corporate company with 20 lakhs package, 50% cut. It will take him another 10-15 years to go there where he was. But वहाँ से we understand the power of a secondary source of income. A secondary source of income, right? जिसको बोलते हैं gig economy. Freelancing के बारे में बहुत लोग सुना होगा. Freelancing जिसे बोलते हैं, right? This business provides us a platform, right? Provides us a platform and an opportunity to have our own part-time business, where we can build this business as free time, so that it's an anchor against unpredictable and challenging times. Unpredictable and challenging times. ताकि ऐसी नौबत किसी को ना आए, right? This is the thing that, bringing clarity to all the people out there, because already all the youngsters are in the searching zone, each and everyone that I speak to, right? And now he's also in the business. He's saying I'll go diamond. Yes, he's definitely a diamond. So understanding the power of a secondary source of income. And then I'll tell you another story, again another of my friend from New York University. He was a very good student there, and he was a investment banker. सबका सपना होता है बहुत बड़ा पैसा कमाना, investment banker होना and all. His dad is a professor in IIT, very good student. And then lo and behold, suddenly one day, he was my flatmate as well. Suddenly one day, he gives up his few $1,000 job to come back to India to do what? To follow his passion. This is the real India. This is the real India where people are giving up their jobs to follow their passion. Relate करते his parents came to my parents कि उसको समझाइए US जाने का, and my dad is like, I'm asking my children to leave their job and to follow entrepreneurship, and what should I ask your son to do? So to follow, so each and every, again we have an opportunity here. यहाँ पे भी business एक platform provide करता है जहाँ पे where we can help youngsters who are lost to find out the passion and help them convert into profit या profession, right? जैसे भी समरजीत जी बताए, but ये समझना पड़ेगा कि there are, जैसे अभी again there was a new report which came up, right? इंडिया में 46% growth हुआ freelancers in 2020. This goes out to say something. We are a young country, right? This goes out to say something. कुछ तो बता. Freelancers जो part time job कर रहे हैं, जो secondary source of income ढूंढ रहे हैं, but ये भी याद रखना पड़ेगा how to mold them. We have to catch them young and train them. How to get them started in the business. How to bring clarity about the business in their life. How the business fits into their lifestyle. How it fits into their passion, their mission. Understanding this is a secret to success. And building youth 35. How many of you are youth 35? Lot of you. Building youth. Yes, you're just getting started. Sweet 16. So, youth today, आजकल का एक जमाने का, so one of our teammates, we call them partners in the business. He came, is like, Rashmita, you do you is a new mantra for all the youngsters. I'm like, I don't understand this. Maybe I belong to the Stone Age. So it's like, you do you is a new word. I'll do what I believe in my passion is. I don't care what others think. And his passion is fitness again. So the mantras of building the youngsters is the core of sustainability and profitability. That's what we did in the past 1 year. We started engaging with all the youngsters. With all the youngsters, we started a Young Leadership Academy. It's a 1-year course. We started in our team. Picking up few, we started Super 15. That's called Super 15 in each teams. Super 15 in each teams. जो youngsters हैं, there are people ranging from 20 to 35 years old. I mean, upper 35, under 35, दिमाग से young होना चाहिए, And we started training them. It's an ongoing process. We just launched it. We are thinking of tying up. We have an XIMB, Japanese Institute of Management. We are giving them every month. We have programs. We have called in professors from colleges to give them talks to them, because the key is getting them started in the business, enhancing their knowledge. Right? Explaining to them what communities is, what social selling is. How can you create customers? Building that knowledge pool will work. But the first of all, the key, clarity. Clarity is a must. And then helping them find their passion and mission. हम बच्चों को ये नहीं बोल सकते, like my dad used to say, कि मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, तुम्हें ये करना पड़ेगा. Nowadays, children are different. Youngsters are different. We don't do what our parents do, right? We do what we want to do, but we learn from them. They teach by leading. And the next important factor, right? यहाँ पे जब कोई आता है, what we think about is pocket money के लिए भी बहुत लोग टीम में आते हैं. What is the key to getting that pocket money? CSI. I just wrap up in 2 minutes. CSI, right? Be it 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, the journey from pocket money to earning big money. BFI, BBI, right? Can we have a huge round of applause for Ravindra Rathod, sir? Right, silver ship to emerald, 3-lane highway to success. Income grow by 3x. That's so right? Structure, structure, structure. When we talk about structure, profitability, when we talk about death thriving, sustainability, right? Structure is a solution to everything. So plugging them with a core plus structure is again a key for them to be able to retain them in the business, show them that vision where they can go, training them and taking them to wherever they want to go according to their way. So I think these are some of the things, and of course engaging them continuously. We have a lot of we have Youth 35 programs, we have the Young Leadership Academy programs, especially for Youth 35 we have BA5 BBA programs, again women entrepreneurship program, continuously engaging them and building their mind, because they're young, their receptors is quite high, they'll take whatever that comes to them soon. So I'll end with 3 words: alignment, agility and adaptability. Alignment with our goal, alignment with today's time. It's a new era. We have to work differently, not work more. Alignment. And then agility. जैसे काम करें तो ठीक है, but we also have to take that growth mindset into the work. Agile, we have to be very, very agile. We have to adopt the new ways of working in this new world. This is a completely new world. किसने सोचा था कोरोना आ गया we have to work from home? किसने सोचा था हम बिना दिखे भी घर पे काम कर सकते हैं? No one will question us. Agility and then adaptability. Adaptability is the key. We adapt to each and everyone, to each and every situation to grow in this business. So thank you so much. 825 आ रहा है, 825 में कितने लोग हैं? I'm sure each and every hand should go up. And कितने लोगों को हम लेके जा रहे हैं? How many team members are we taking with us? Right? Thank you so much. See you soon in Athens. And together we can make it happen. Together we can rise and make Amway India the #1 in the world. Thank you so much.